now we're gonna do a pizza, but it's called un calzone. Calzone means pants. But this pizza here is very, very simple, and we're gonna keep it simple, and then we're gonna kick it up a notch as we make more and more of these pizzas. So we stretch it, always keeping a nice crown around the outside, because that's what's gonna grow and make it nice and beautiful. We put in the sauce on one side, like that. Then we'll put in some ingredients. We're gonna put some shallots, green onion, a little bit of mushrooms, and I like to put some smoked duck and some prosciutto. Bring it over, and you want to just tap it just a little bit like this around, not too much, just enough to make it hold up. There we go. Nice pizza or calzone.